anything that will make me a superstar. Whatever singing, whatever doing a content, whatever going and fight in a town, I don't know. But I had to be a famous. Now you can see I'm famous.
Wait, Sugira, wait.
Yeah.
Mobi wambari ibiboru kabivuga mu Kinyarwanda nicyo bashaka kuvuga. Bikubita mu Kinyarwanda. Wehe.
Ngewe nakuze nshaka kuba mfite nizera ko ngomba kuba umustar kandi nanabyiyumvamo. Nagombaga kugira ikintu cya danje nkora kugira ngo mbe umustar, yaba kuririmba cyangwa se yaba gukora content cyangwa se yaba kugenda nkarwana mu mujyi ariko abantu bakanda. Na AI mfite de poko yanyenga yarangende kugura.
Byaba kugenda ukarwana mu mujyi wagombaga kwaturitsa byo.
Nagombaga kuba umustar ariko meta yanyanze neza.
Sugira, go ahead.
So, Mobi, do you have like an idol, someone that you look up to?
So what bro? AI. Bari kwa ngo ndikoresha AI nta nongera kukamera. Kwaje. What did you say?
Okay, I just want to know, do you have like an idol, like someone you look after to? I mean, you say, I want to be like this person, or I want to just get somewhere like this person. Someone who just will inspire you just to follow your dream.
The one who inspired me is General Bender. Tell him that I like him. He inspires me. I love looking him what he does, and I like it, and I try to become like him in returns. Bano bantu ba muri comment gutuma nzisoma nkabo mwibagirwa ibyo nangiye kuvuga.
Ati bawe. Ngoba wiko. Jakari, ndashaka ko Jakaza kavuga icyongereza nawe. Mumamagarire Jack.
Ari kuvuga ngo ni AI ma.
Nawe bariya bamyutinze bakuraho kamera bagusize mu rugamba. Kana mu cyaro nuri umugirikayo.